How to add back button on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the accessibility option there. Further, under the physical and motor tab, you will see the option for touch. Tap on it. Now, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for back tab. Tap on it. You will now see two options here, that is double tap and triple tap. Simply tap on each option and then select the action you want for that particular tap. For instance, I will choose Control Center for double tap and I will choose Camera for triple tap. And with this, the accessibility has been activated and enabled. Now, if I double tap on the Apple logo on the back of my iPhone, I will be led to the control center as per the accessibility I just set. And if I triple tap on the Apple logo on the back of my iPhone, then I will be led to camera. So this was about how you can add back button on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.